Hello guys, it's if you don't know who I am, you probably not heard of me yet. And I don't say yet, I don't really feel like I'm rediscovered, but I was in a film with WTF Gamers, and I'll put his description, and I'll also put the 2 links of the video that I was in. I also want to guys let you know that I got new mic, so it'll be fun just to